your trivia guy. In previous videos, we discussed what a black hole is, and the hypothesis that black holes lead to other universes. But what is inside a black hole according to the best current knowledge? It is important to remember that black holes consist of an event horizon, which is the point beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape. Inside of which there is a singularity, which is a point where all the black hole's mass is concentrated. Given this, what occurs inside a black hole's event horizon? First, you may think you will see the singularity. The singularity is often described as a point of infinite density and no size. But this is probably not a reality, as different laws of physics operate in extreme conditions inside a black hole. And scientists still do not have an answer on what these laws of physics look like. But assuming singularities exist, what would happen as you fell inside a black hole is quite interesting. First, you will still see the surrounding universe as it is. Then relativity will do its thing. Light will be stretched to higher frequencies, and events occurring on the outside universe would appear to speed up relative to you while still being in their former state for an outside observer. Basically, you will be able to see the future, except that you won't be able to charge for it, as you won't be able to exit the black hole. You're doomed to fall to the singularity. Too bad. As you're getting further inside, it will appear as if you're landing on the surface of a vast, black, featureless planet. No trees or mountains, just flat blackness extending to the horizon. More than likely, you will be destroyed before you make it there, so this remains speculative. It is often said that reality is weirder than fiction, and if this speculation based on physics that more than likely does not apply inside a black hole seemed intriguing for you, imagine the real thing based on new exotic physics. If you're interested in knowing other possibilities of what could lie inside black holes, especially those involving new physics, I suggest The Black Hole War by Leonard Susskind. The link to the book is in the description. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, share the video, and please don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you may have. This is Frank, your trivia guy, and I want to remind everyone to look up at the stars and remember that there are many unknown unknowns and many things that lie beyond imagination and human description. Ad luzum.